Question number 3. Mr. and Mrs. Smith want to go on a cruise of at least 5 days for their wedding anniversary. The graph on the right illustrates the two options available to them. Option 1, like that, and option 2, like that. A, translate this situation by a system of equations. Okay, well, we're looking at this graph and we need to figure out the equations, okay? And so what we're going to do is first, we're going to label the graph. So this is 200, 400, 600, 800, and so on, right? Okay, now it's important to have like where these points are. So this is, if this is 800, this is 1,000, so this is about 900, okay? So 905, okay? And this is going to be, sorry, not 905, it's going to be 5, 900, and this point is going to be 5, 1,200. This point over here is 20, 1,800, okay? For both graphs. All right, so translate this situation by a system of equations. So option 1, I'm going to figure that out down here. So y equals ax plus b. The a is delta y over delta x, and we're looking at these 2 points here. So starting off for option 1, we're going to say this is our point 2. So our x, our y2 is 1,800. Our y1 is way down here at 1,200. So 1,800 take away 1,200. Our x2 is at 20 and our x1 is at 5. So 20 take away 5. Okay, so that gives us 600 divided by 15, which is going to be 40. Okay, so the a is 40. So y equals ax plus b, so the y is equal to 40x plus b, and I'm going to plug in one of those points. I'm going to plug in the smaller one, so the 1,205 into that. So the x is 5, the y is 1,200, and we're solving for b, so 5 times 40 is 200. I'm subtracting 200 from both sides, and that gives me 1,000 is equal to b. So that gives us our equation. I'm just feeding it back into here. Y equals 40x plus 1,000. Okay, so that's the equation for option 1. Okay, for option 2, once again, we're using the x and y value here. The x is 20, the y is 1,800, and down here the x is 5 and the y is 900. Okay, so y equals ax plus b. The a is delta y over delta x, which is going to be the y value up here is 1,800, the y value down here is 900. So it's 1,800 take away 900, which is 900, and 20 take away 5, which is 15. So we get 900 divided by 15, which is 60. So we know that y is equal to 60x plus b, because the a is 60, right? And now we're going to plug in an x value and a y value. I'm going to take the smaller one here again. So I'm going to take 5 and 900. So the x is going to be 5 and the y is going to be 900. And then I'm going to solve for the b. So 60 times 5 is 300. And then I'm going to subtract the 300 from both sides. So 600 is equal to b. So we get our equation y equals 60x plus 600. Okay, and that's option number 2. All right, how many days must their cruise last for the first option to be more economical? Okay, so the first option is more economical, is cheaper after day 20. Okay, so the cruise has to last longer than 20 days. All right, the second option to be more economical. The second option is anywhere, from day 5 all the way up to day 20. Okay, so the second option is cheapest up until 20 days. Okay, less than 20 days. All right, so when is the cost the same for both options? Well, right here. Okay, at day 20, they both cost 1,800. Okay, and that is it for question 3. Have a good day.